Hello traders, it's Tommy here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex forecast. Before I start, I would like to invite you to check my one-on-one mentorship program. In this program, I focus on the key aspects to be long-term successful in trading. So we focus there on the strategy, we focus there on planning, and of course, which is the most important part in trading, in the mindset. So just click the link below if you have any questions. Just contact me. Now let's go to DAX because DAX is quite interesting right now because it's breaking historical highs. If we pay attention for weekly chart, we see that this is our last historical high. Now price is breaking. Of course, we are at the end of the year, so it will be interesting if it still continue to follow, or we will just have like spike, false breakouts. Price will start to range and start to retrace. If you look for the monthly chart, monthly momentum is huge right now, so it's definitely pushing up. So this will be interesting. What next year will bring. Right now, the momentum is there. Opportunities for buys are also there. Of course, everything is late here because if you pay attention for the daily chart, price is just climbing up without any retracements. But we see how strong and powerful this momentum is. So now what we want to do, we want to look for possible retracement and still buy. If we go to 4-hour chart, even 4-hour chart, they didn't give us any retracement. We have only just two retracements on the 4-hour chart time frame. So we have to just base on the 1-hour chart. So what we want to do, of course, as long as it's pushing up, we want to buy this. Of course, we don't have any resistance level right now, so we have to just base on possible retracement. So whenever price retrace to the 36 EMA, we look for buys. Of course, on the lower time frames, not on the 1-hour chart, it's too late. And then try to look for buys and target the previous stop. So right now it's like a day trading and scalping only. Of course, because price went up so strong, we of course expect some retracements. But the question is when this retracement happened. So at least I would wait for 1-hour chart trend line breakout plus EMA crossovers to look for the setups. But then your target is still 4-hour chart 36 EMA because we can have 4-hour chart retracement, price bounce on the 36 and still make another push. Okay, so this is one option. If of course price breaks, then we target daily 36 EMA. Of course, if you are a scalper, you can also try to trade those smaller retracements on the 1-hour chart. How we can do it? No, at least I would wait for some weakness on the 15-minute chart, and then if we get weakness, I would pay attention for 5-minute or 1-minute chart to look for short scenarios. What I mean by weakness, no, at least if we see that price is, for example, breaking 36 EMA, created some lower lows, lower highs, then at least we'll get confirmation for the 50-minute that price might to go down. So this is the act right now. NASDAQ also pointing up, but stopped a little bit. We still have resistance here, so there is still room to go to the historical high. Also, if pay attention for the monthly, it's moving, but it's not so strong volatility like on DAX. So it's climbing up. If we get any retracements, then of course we can look for swing trading opportunities back to the 36, back to this trend line. Now price a little bit stopped. We are in this small range here. So basically what we would like to get is breakout of those two levels to have confirmation if price wants to go up, or after breakout with the 36 previous bottom, maybe will start to retrace lower. So if you pay attention for the 4-hour chart, like I said, if we want to have clean move, we have to wait for breakout. If not, we have to trade in this range. So how we can do it? We can still look for retracement and look for buy scenarios, target previous stop with the highest point. And if price starts to break our trend line, yes, if price starts to break trend line, there will be a crossover. Then we can look for possible short scenarios and target this bottom, or even a little bit higher this level. Okay, so this is what we have on NASDAQ right now. We have this line. We can just select this. So or we buy here or we sell here. Whenever price breaks this, we know where price might follow. US 30 pointing up. The highest point, historical again high, is here. We see also monthly chart that after period of range, it's starting to go up. So again, this will be interesting if we get reactions from this and bigger retracement, or price will break and will continue. Definitely, I think we should know this in the new year. So what is on the daily chart? Also here we had very strong momentum. Right now we have this small range here. So what we can do on the lower time frames, of course, we want to still buy it after breakout. So if you go to 4-hour chart, this is the situation. So like on NASDAQ, if you want to have clean direction, we want to have breakout, then we look for buys. And if price breaks 36 with the 4-hour chart, 36 4-hour chart EMA and the previous bottom, then we can have possible retracement to the daily. So then we will try to catch this move down here. So if we go to 1-hour chart, scenario will be similar to NASDAQ, or we wait for breakouts, or we trade in this range. However, not this range. We cannot draw any trend line like on the NASDAQ. So what we can do, if price reach top and will stay here, let's go to the 15-minute chart because it's still pointing up. But let's say if we have some weakness on around the resistance, yes, if we have situation that price will, for example, stay, false breakouts, after breakout of this line, we can look for short scenarios, target previous bottom. Okay, so this is what we can do in terms of trading in the range. Okay, otherwise, wait patiently for price to get out from this and look for buys or to sells. Nikkei, so price reacted strongly on the resistance right now. Support is down here. Also, it might be beginning of the range, or this is just the retracement and price will bounce, continue, break and move higher again. If we pay attention for the daily chart, price broke the 36 EMA right now. This is the where if you want to find support zone on the daily chart, I would say this is the next area. Price stopped here, so we have also some spikes, but I would treat it as a previous bottom. Here is the next area of the support. So now price is breaking this 36, is pointing down. So 4-hour chart give us nice opportunity to sell after retracement. So if we get 4-hour chart short 1 to 3, we can still try to sell. But first you target previous bottom, and after breakout of this bottom you have this level, and from the long-term perspective you can try to target that. If we switch to 1-hour chart, now price is breaking 36 EMA. So if you are a day trader on scalper, you can look for take the trades against the main direction and target 36 EMA. So this is also opportunity to, for example, if you get momentum, price will break this after retracements, you can look for possible buy scenarios to target 4-hour chart 36 EMA. If price of course breaks this 4-hour chart 36 EMA, it start to move up. We have trend line in between, so this also might be situation that price will go to retest this. Okay, so definitely you can start to buy after breakout of the 36, but you have to pay attention for this trend line because we might to see reaction. If not, this is your goal. If price breaks this trend line, it might continue to go to the previous top. And AUS200 on a weekly chart, again, we are still in this big range, even like that. Now momentum is there. We see that price is climbing up, but I think this is the worst from all of the indices right now. It's pointing up, so price broke this resistance. We said that price was here. After breakout, we can look for buys. Price is breaking right now, so if we pay attention for resistance zone, for the next possible resistance, I would say it's here. Next one is higher. This is of course the highest point. Price broke this level here. And so now it's quite obvious. Yes, retracement. We want to go long. So this is our 4-hour chart trend line, not like daily, but the 4-hour chart. So if price continue, yes, After retracement to the 36, to the trend line, you look for buy scenarios. If you want to look for higher time frame retracements, if not, you wait for 1 hour chart, some movement retracement because you want to see higher high, higher low, and then you look for possible long entries again. Yes, this is our trend line. So this is what we need to see: move, retracement, possible bounce, continuation. If price breaks this and there is enough room to the 36 EMA and the trend line, you can also pay attention to sell it and target that. But this is again for day traders, scalpers. Okay, guys, so that's all from this week. I still prepare forecast in next week. This will be on the Renko. This will be also last week of trading for me. So we will see what this week will bring to us. Again, I would like to invite you to check my one-on-one mentorship program. You will find the link in the description. This program is really designed to suit your needs, so we can focus on really on the weak points. Question is where you have your weak points. This might be the mindset, this might be planning, this might be the strategy. So just go there, see what I offer, and if you have any questions, just schedule a small chat with me and we will see how we can work together. So guys, wish you all great Sunday and see you soon. Bye.